दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
So dear friends, namaskar. When we see the questions of chapter number 9, application of trigonometry, so the questions are related, interrelated to each other. The first of all, what we have read till now, the trigonometric ratios value for the angles 0 degree, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So 0 and 90 degree value will not be used, because most of the times you will see the angles are 30, 45 and 60 degree. Only sometimes it is used sin theta. Most of the times tan theta will be used. Tan theta means 90%, 95%. Sin theta or cos theta sometimes only 5%. Because tan theta related to the height and distance in right angle triangle. So that's why I will tell you height and distance means hypotenuse. When we will talk about hypotenuse, sin theta will be used. When we talk about perpendicular and base, then the tan theta. One thing I would like to inform you, in every question you will find total 3 informations. Out of 3 informations, 2 angles and 1 side. You will see, you will focus it. 2a, I have written 2a means it may be very simple questions, one right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, one thing I have told you, right, 90 degree, one angle 90 degree. So at that time only one extra angle will be given, and that will be 30, 60 or 45 and one side. Just like this type of questions are question number 1 and 2 of exercise 9.1, 1 and 2. And second type of, but here it include 3 informations, na? Most of the questions, most of the tough questions are included in this type, 2 right angle triangle, 2 right angle triangle. And in this 2 right angle triangle, because one side is common, you will see most of the questions one side is common. So that's why 2 right angles triangles are there. You should to have at least, right angle means 2 informations, so at least 4 informations, but one side is common, so you have only 3 informations, 2 angle and 1 side. And this what I have written 30, 60, some questions included 30 and 60, some questions included 30 and 40, 45 and 60, like that. So come on the question number 3. That's all. Question number 3. A contractor plans to, actually the, to draw figure is very important in trigonometry. So try to read the questions slowly. Make an imagination what type of the situation is there, and then try to make a rough figure. Then you can cut the figure again, make a accurate figure. Don't measure anything. Whatever we will draw horizontal line, that will represent the ground, and whatever we will vertical line will represent any minar, any tall building, this that you will see here. So just like our contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. Slides means, when you will go to any park, there are some stairs, go up and then go down slowly, not so slowly, fast. So children enjoy this ride. So the question is about that. For the children below the age of 5 years, sometimes children will climb a height and then will slow down. C means the contractor is C, ladies. C prefer to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. So we will make a rough figure here like this. This is our ground. So no need to write ground. because it's the first question, so you can write ground. C prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. You know, this type of slides are there. So this is the height. Here stairs are installed. Children will go up, slide up, go up to the top, and then they will slide. Slide generally becomes of this shape, of curve shape, but the question is, and whereas for elder children he wants to have a sleep sound, this what is the, but the questions you may take it as this right angle triangle. This actually slide sometimes prefer to be this much. Okay, so this is height 1.5 meter. So I'm not trying to draw exactly figure slide and then children's, no, only simple. So this is right angle triangle, example of right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. So two informations we have got, 90 degree here, one right angle triangle. So right angle, obviously one side and one angle is given here, and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. So this is the slide actually, and inclined to the ground 30 degree. This is the ground and inclined. This is the slide. So the question is, whereas for the elder children she wants to have a sleep slide at a height of 3 meter. And another questions you may have. Now the height is double, but we will make another question. So we don't go to make double of this one exactly, we make somewhat different. So this is 3 meter height, and she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. 60 degree means 30 degree, 60 degree means this is more than this 60 degree. This is again 1.5, this was double, this is also double. What should be the length of the slides in each case? So length of the slides, that's why I have told you 95% chances 10. 10 means height, and this distance will be calculated, 10 will be used. Sometimes hypotenuse is used here. This is the example, hypotenuse. So sin theta you may use it, and sin theta for 0 degree 0 1 upon 2 1 upon root 2 and root 3 by 2. Okay, so use it. Question is over. As you draw the figure, question is over. For this sin 30 degree, so just write top of the slide, top of this slide. So this is again top of. Many things are understood, so no need to explain everything. Sin 30 is equal to this upon this, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to here 1.5 upon this length of the slide L. So right is L1. So L1. So now calculate L1 is equal to 3 meter. So the first answer. Length of the slide is 3 meter. And here the questions sin 60 degree is equal to sin 60 0 1 upon 2 1 upon root 2 root 3 by 2 is equal to 3 meter upon this. So 3 upon L2 this. So L2 is equal to L2 will come here. So and L2 this multiply then divide. So L2 is equal to 3 into 2 and upon root 3. For this root 3 is here, so we will rationalize root 3 and here root 3. So root 3 will be 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So you will get 2 root 3. L2 is equal to. So this is the answer. Root 3 is equal to actually 1.7. So you can 1.7, but there is no need to find 1.7. So obviously it will be 3.5 meter. So this is 3 meter and this is somewhat 3 point. When you will put it 1.7, so approximately you will get the length. So this was the question. This question was example of a right angle triangle. Here one angle and one side. Okay, then we will solve question number 6. Question number 6 is very important, very interesting. So in the next class, question number 6.